check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's your name, man?
Adam.
Adam. Oh, I got a demo of this before.
Nope. Well, actually, yes.
Slimefest.
Yep. Then I had different subs.
Okay, you want to give me a rundown of everything again?
Yep. I got 2 ZD5 15s with SPS surrounds, 2 Crescendo BC 5500s on a 45 amp hour C-Max.
Oh, C-Max, okay.
Yep. With a 370 mechanism under the hood.
All right. Have you muted it?
Yes. On the windshield, does 52s, at the headrest, 50s.
Nice. Pretty good. And it's musical.
Yes.
You built the box?
No, I did not.
How big is the box? Do you know?
9 cubes.
9 cubes? Okay. And what did you say it was tuned to?
34.
34. All right.
Yep.
Nice. What vehicle?
Ford Explorer Sport Track.
Okay. Sport Track. Nice. Heck yeah. Looks good. Good. Nice bass knob too. Is that like a shark tooth?
Yeah.
Shark teeth or something.
And
That's pretty cool. Wow. That's different. Nice, man. Dual JVC. Anything in your doors?
nope.
Just stock?
Yep.
Okay. All bass.
Yeah.
That's how I am. There's nothing wrong with that.
Alright.
That's like your high peak, 38, 37. Yeah, 38 hertz. Okay. I was gonna say you have some lows too also.
Yeah.
That's pretty good, man. Heck yeah.
Here's some lows.
That's a good demo song.
we get some outside flex.
Yeah.
Your last one. The demos. Awesome, man. Thank you. Appreciate the demo.
Yeah, anytime.
Feels good too. You got some AC running.
Yeah.
Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.